Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing an amazing new method to unlock everything in Toca World Life. This method is not only brand new, but has also been recently updated to ensure it works perfectly. I'm really excited to show you how easy and effective it is, so let's get right into it. First, I'll open the game so you can see for yourself how everything is unlocked and available for free. It's pretty incredible, and you'll see just how straightforward this method is. What's even better is that it works seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. No need to worry about jailbreaking or any complex steps. To get started, all you need to do is watch this video carefully and follow each step I demonstrate. I've made sure to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow instructions, so you won't miss a thing. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Toca World and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.